Tāwhirimātea's bad day. Early one morning, the sun rose in the sky. It was shining brightly. But Tāwhirimātea, the god of weather, was feeling grumpy that day, so he caused the wind to blow and clouds began swirling in the sky, blocking out the sun. The wind became so strong that a whirlwind formed. Then heavy rain began to fall, and everyone jumped in and out of the puddles and had to put up their umbrella. Tāwhirimātea's father, Rangi, saw that his son was upset and gave him a hug, which made Tāwhirimātea feel better, and he took away the clouds and rain, and the sun came back out. Later, the moon came out as it moved around the earth, and everyone went home to bed.